my dear friends, brothers and sisters. This is VK. Today I will show you the Bionair tower fan. Okay, this is the view of Bionair tower fan. As recently I purchased this Bionair tower fan, so I am not feeling comfortable. So I don't like this product. So before I return, I need to view the complete overview. What is the use? What is the advantage? What is the disadvantage? What is the brand? What is the features is available? It's useful for family persons or only for bachelors? It's useful for office or any shop. I will give the complete information. If you like, then you can buy this type of Pioneer tower fans. Okay, there are some multiple brands is there. Slowly I will explain one by one how to use this Pioneer tower fan. What is a tower fan? What is these type of models? What are the features are available here? What is the main function role of this Pioneer? Okay, clearly now I will show you. Okay, one by one. Let's go to the box. This is Bionair. There are some features are available here. See the air coming the direction. Tower fan, this is ultra slim. There are some features are available. It's a purely American trusted brand. There are 2 years warranties available. What's the main function role here? Some breeze option is there. They are mentioning breeze for cool and comfortable at all times, but I don't like this option. Both Telugu and English లో చెప్తారండి. Don't worry, it's they mentioned breeze option will keep you cool and comfortable at all times. Okay, but this is feature is not working in this model. Okay, they mentioned but it's not work perfectly. So let's go to the product. Here the product is there. This is Bionair. Yeah, see here only it's coming. Okay, this is the output. Okay, now I need to turn on. Yeah, I need to turn on. This is the first option. Okay, there are 3 settings will be there. This is power on and off button. Okay, next there are 3 speed settings will be there. Okay, I need to explain one by one. First I am selecting low speed. This is the air will be coming here. Okay, just wait for 1 second. I need to connect a fan also. See, the fan is rotating, but I need to move the right side. It's not coming here, middle only. The straight in front of fan only it's coming. So in left side it's not coming. By using oscillation it's working, but it's now it's in without oscillation. So only straight it's not, it's working in straight. Okay, okay, fine. Now I need to increase the speed here. So again press the same button. Second settings will be there, speed settings. Yeah, little bit it's the medium speed compared to previous one. Now I need to select full speed. This is the high speed, the third option. Yeah, it's little bit okay. So now speed, you have to check the speed. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Okay, but it's only useful for air purpose. ఓన్లీ మనకి గాలి మాత్రమే కావాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఇది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఎనీ పిక్నిక్ ఆర్ ఎనీ ప్లేసెస్ ఇట్స్ విల్ యూస్ఫుల్ అనమాట మనకు బాగా. అంతేకాని మనకు హోమ్లో ఉంటూ ఇంట్లో 1 పర్సన్ స్టే చేసే పని అయితే యూజ్ అవుతుందండి. మీకు ఏదైనా స్మాల్ షాప్ ఉంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దిస్ మోడల్, దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ టవర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఇన్ షాప్. ఇట్స్ యూస్ఫుల్. బట్ మీరు ఏమన్నా ఒక 2-3 పీపుల్ కానీ ఇంట్లో ఉంటే by using oscillation button is there. I will explain the oscillation button. This is the timer. If you select this as timings 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, time sets will be there. If you select the time setting and you forgot you are leaving, go to the outside any places, it's automatically shutting down because you set the timer na. That's why it's automatically off. Okay, this is the main this is one of the advantages available in all tower fans. And number 3, oscillation. I need to select this oscillation. See, it's moving from left to right. Okay, up to 90 degrees angle it's coming the air. If in a room 2-3 people are sleeping, then this is the staying in, this is the option is available, though it's rotating. Okay, after rotating it's see, once it rotating left side na, there is no air here. Okay, and yeah, it's alternate 1 by 1 it's coming. Based on direction the air will be flow. This is the advantage here, but I need to turn off the oscillation here. See, okay, here the breeze option will be there. I select the breeze option. but I don't feel any cool. Here I don't observe any cool air. There is normal air is coming, but in our manual they mention some option here, right? But it's not working here. By using the breeze option, I will show you what is the advantage here, what is the disadvantage also. See, if I am selecting breeze option, in front it's rotating, right? Wait for 10 to 20 seconds. See, it's off completely, and again 10 to 20 seconds it suddenly off. See, yeah, it's off. It take minimum 2 to 3 seconds and again turn on, and again rotating. It's air is not flowing continuously. Okay, now it's on high speed. That's why speed will be decreasing, up and down fluctuations is there. From here you need to observe this one. This feature is not feeling good, so this is not freeze option. This is for increasing and decreasing the airflow, so I don't like this feature, so leave this. Okay, then another option I need to select here. See, yeah, this one, this option also not feeling good here. So there are 4 menu options is there. It will be useful for one person in staying in a room, it will be okay. Or if any person keep this fan in ఆఫీస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ షాప్ ఈజ్ దేర్ నా, ఆ షాప్ పర్పస్కి ఇలాంటివి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఎనీ హౌస్లో కానీ ఫ్యామిలీస్ స్టేయింగ్లో ఉండేటప్పుడు, ఫ్యామిలీతో స్టే చేసేటప్పుడు, సో ఒక 2-3 పీపుల్ కనుక ఉంటే ఇట్లాంటి ఫ్యాన్స్ వల్ల ఇట్స్ నాట్ యూస్ఫుల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. సో నాలాగా మీరు సఫర్ కాకూడదు అనేసి, సో నేను బిఫోర్ రిటర్న్ చేసే ముందు ఇట్లాంటి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఒకటి తీద్దామని నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్తో నేను ఈ రివ్యూ చేస్తున్నాను. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మెయిన్ ఓవర్ రివ్యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. మీకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే బిఫోర్ బై ఎనీ టవర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఆర్ కూలింగ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఆర్ సీలింగ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఆర్ టేబుల్ ఫ్యాన్స్, ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సీ what is the model, what are the features are available. If the features is okay, then what is the brand, what is the model is there, what is the warranty, it's the main advantage. Please check one by one before ordering the product. Please see the all, what is the star rating, what is the customer reviews are there. Go through one by one. Okay, topic wise go through one by one, step by step. Then if you fix the one product, is it okay for you, then please contact to me. I am always available in social media, in Facebook or YouTube. Blogger is there, and YouTube channel is there. In Gmail also I need to share my Gmail address also. So this is VK from AYFU. I recently start this YouTube channel, so I don't have time, that's why I need to review the videos slowly one by one. So this is the main channel for we provide information. What is the genuine information there, we have to give the genuine information one by one. If anybody is okay to give this type of videos to us, we are accept, but give the genuine feedback. Okay, don't blame our channel customers. Okay, we need quality content. Okay, we are there to support and help the people. And if the earning money, what are the earning money in YouTube, those money is I need to help the poor people, I need to give some money to poor people. That is the main concept of our YouTube channel AYFU. సో ఒక మంచి పర్పస్ కోసం, మంచి ఉద్దేశంతో ఇట్లా చేయాలి అనే థాట్తో నేను ఈ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని పెట్టానండి. సో బ్లాగర్ కూడా మనకుంది, ayfu.blogspot.in. సో మీకు ఏదైనా టిప్స్ కానీ, మీకు దగ్గర ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కంటెంట్ ఉన్నా సరే, ఐఎమ్ దేర్. నౌ వేకన్సీస్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో నేను పార్ట్ టైం కూడా ఏదైనా మీకు హెల్ప్ చేయగలుగుతాను. So if interested people, please contact. If any doubt for tower fans and some air conditioners, so please contact to VK. VK is always available for you. Okay, thanks for watching friends. Please subscribe to our channel AYFU.